Hey there, brainy explorers! Ready to blast off on a time-traveling quest? Buckle up, we're diving into the past to meet genius inventors, crack codes, and discover how computers got from beads to robots, so let's go! What if I told you, your phone is smarter than a 1940s computer which was about the size of a house? Or that the first computer program was written by a woman in 1840? Guess what? The first computer weighed as much as an elephant. But today, you've got a smarter machine in your pocket. How did that happen? Let's find out. So brainy explorers, we're meeting the coolest geniuses ever. Ada Lovelace, the girl who wrote the first computer code, Alan Turing, the spy who cracked secret codes with math, Steve Jobs, the Apple wizard who made computers fun, and even a 19th century robot chef. Hop into our time machine. Each episode zooms in on one big invention, the abacus, beads that helped humans count, Blaise Pascal's clicky calculator, Charles Babbage's robot chef, the first computer, Ada Lovelace, the first coder, Alan Turing, codebreaker and AI pioneer, ENIAC, the room-sized computer, from big machines to home computers, modern computers, everywhere. What's next? Maybe you, the future of tech, dream it and build it. Pause the video. Close your eyes. What does your dream computer look like? A robot that cleans your room? A homework helper? Draw it and show your friends. History isn't boring, it's a thriller. From abacuses to AI, we're unlocking the secrets behind the machines we love. Next stop is the abacus adventure. So let's roll. Don't miss any adventure, hit that subscribe button, bang the notification bell, and let's explore history, science, and your ideas together. Bye for now and see you soon, brainy explorers.